So tonight, my friends and I decided to go to hike Mount Batur, but unfortunately it's raining so hard. So now I'm still waiting for the rain to stop and we'll go up. As you can tell, it's very dark now and the cloud, or is it fog? Yeah, it's very foggy, as you can see behind me.
All is for you to come back. Now I'm caught in the middle of life, and I need you to survive.
It's 10:20 here and I'm already on the top of the mountains, and yeah, and I got a flash from a friend, actually a phone, so it's like very what's that called, very busy because so many people coming for the Saturday night, and they also like have like a gathering events actually. Yeah.
Đằngนี้là đâu? Là cả đâu?
Ooh, okay, it's 6 something. Wait, it's about 6. Okay, it's 6:04 now, and it's very cold, like very cold, like so much colder. If it is compared to the last time I was here, and probably it's because it's rainy season now, and yeah, it's so much fog. And so now we are my friends preparing to go up to the top of the mountains, and I don't know if I want to join them or not because I've been there already and the view here is very different, so maybe I will explore this area. I think someone's there. So
You're only living in your damn head.
It's almost 7, but the fog is still like so thick, and some of the friends are not gonna go up because of the fog, so probably there is no majestic sunrise for today. Yeah, it's very cold. My head is frozen, my brain is frozen, I think. I can't think. Yeah, as you can see behind me, that's all the fog. And it's so freaking cold. To go around this area, and it just looks the same because of the fog. Yeah, it's like come and go, but it's mostly still there. So yeah, I finally decided to sit here and enjoy the view. As far as I can see, it's just fog. Yep. Yeah, I forgot to tell you that I didn't have a video of me and my friends going up because it was raining so hard, and yeah, I don't want to let my phone wet, So finally the sun is out and we are going to take some pictures because the view is to die for.
But I've lost in the moment. All I want is for you to come back. Now I'm caught in the middle of life.
I just really want to share this to you guys that I'm really grateful today because I have like a new experience with a new friends and a new family here. Like, you know, actually I don't even know the people at the first place, but then I found out that it's really easy to get along with them. Even I don't even know them, like where they are coming from or what their background, and actually that's not really important because if you want to be friends with someone, then if you just get along really well, then it's enough, right? So yeah, I'm so grateful actually. So that's all that I wanted to tell you for now. So I'm going down now.
And this can be the end. I won't just settle for being your friend. A broken bond is not too late to mend. But what can I do? 'Cause I'm just a